Marketing today feels like juggling flaming torches on a unicycle. With customer expectations soaring, embracing AI isn't just a smart choice, it's essential. Did you know that 60% of marketers already use AI to refine their strategies? Take Netflix, for example. Their recommendation algorithm is a masterclass in AI marketing, analyzing billions of viewing hours to suggest exactly the right show for each viewer. Tools like ChatGPT aren't just managing tasks, they're reshaping the entire marketing landscape. And with ClickUp's advanced AI capabilities, marketers can turn data into actionable insights. Let's dive into 3 ways AI is rewriting the rules of the marketing game. Number 1, audience targeting and lead generation. Audience targeting is like planning the perfect party. You need the right mix of people and activities. AI helps analyze customer behaviors, showing you who's most likely to engage with your campaigns, turning cold leads into promising customers. Amazon's AI engine is legendary in this space. Their system can predict what you might want to buy before you even know you want it. Number 2, personalization. Using AI, you can craft hyper-relevant content and offers in seconds. 71% of customers expect personalized interactions, and apps like Spotify deliver by creating a deeply personal Spotify-wrapped campaign that feels like it knows you better than yourself. Number 3, enhancing data analysis. With AI's capability of analyzing large datasets, you can clarify how your efforts impact overall customer satisfaction and performance. This enables you to make informed decisions. With ClickUp's campaign management template, you can seamlessly integrate these AI-powered strategies into your workflow. But that's not all you can do with ClickUp. ClickUp Brain is like having a marketing genius on your team 24/7. As a built-in AI assistant in ClickUp, it can automate repetitive tasks like updating project statuses and assignees and sending follow-up emails. Generate creative content, from social media captions to blog posts and more. Provide real-time insights and analytics together with ClickUp dashboards. Whether you're struggling with writer's block or need to analyze complex marketing data, ClickUp's AI-powered tools have got you covered. AI may be promising, but it's far from perfect. Challenges like changing customer preferences, content accuracy, and lead qualification exist. But with the right approach and tools like ClickUp, you can turn these challenges into opportunities. Continuously monitor your data, always have human oversight. Use high-quality training data, and don't forget to regularly update your strategies. Marketing is evolving, and AI is your ticket to staying competitive. ClickUp offers an all-in-one solution that combines planning, tracking, and AI-powered insights for all your marketing initiatives. All you have to do is sign up. Try ClickUp today and experience the power of AI-driven marketing.